jumpsuit. Okay guys, I wanted to do an update on my 90-day challenge. Now I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. I fell off a bit when we went to Shell Harbour, but I'm back on it. I still haven't eaten meat, and I just had some of Siaosi's hot chips when we were away, and a bit of other stuff too, but non-meat, so I still haven't eaten meat. I'm having these vegetarian sausages. This is my first time tasting these sausages. They're tofu, it's meat-free. And together with my 2 sausages, I'll be having a salad with half an avocado, some tomato, and I think that's it. But that is my update today. It is day 17, and guys, we are back on it strictly. And I'm so sorry I haven't been posting any updates, but I will for the next week, and I'm going to get back into my training as well. You want to say anything, Aussie?
Hi everyone, I'm still sick. We support our challenge. Guys, keep it up and do it. You can do it.
Hey guys, I just finished work and it is a Friday, so I'm looking forward to the weekend. But I'm here at my brother's. Like, all of my cars are here. Aussies, my brother's, my dad's, Molly's, and a big truck because we're helping him move. So it's been a very busy day for them. I came here early and then I rushed back home to go and get my camera.
Are you ready to say goodbye? We're going down. Come on, hurry up. Jump on it. Jump on it. Okay, yeah. Go. Come on. You chicken boy. You chicken boy. Are you ready to go down? We're going down to the ground. Go on.
Are you ready to go up? We're going up above the ground. No, get down. Are you ready to go down?
Yeah.
Okay, go find another toy. That's enough. No. That is very much enough, Amaziah. That is very much enough, Amaziah. No, you're not allowed to.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not. Look at your face. Mamma, inga la kuwan fa lolo.
Ayun. Molly, now key there.
Molly, Mum's got your keys. Don't play with that.
Hey!
I have been so hungry, guys. I've been like pretty good on my diet. I've got myself a snack. I want a snack on this in Molly's car, but she won't let me. Why won't you let me, Molly? Molly?
What?
Why won't you let me?
Yeah, mouse do.
Huh? What? We're living the life, baby.
Hey, boy.
I'm also like this video. Let's get this video to 1 million likes if you want me to jump up there and dance to a belly dance.
Get it to 1 like.
She ain't gonna do it. Yeah, I know. There 1 million.
And then next minute will be 1 million. Then what? Then you have to do it.
No, this particular video, guys, don't do it.
Guys, just do it. Do it.
Oh, let's get this video to 200 likes if you want me to crack this on Molly's head. And you can be an egghead or a crackhead. I'm I'm gonna go get some snacks from Molly's house. Molly, you got some healthy snacks, right? Molly's got the best bananas at her house.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do.
They're off limits. It's my boys. Look at my boys.
Yeah, we're going home to feed Molly's kids.
Hey boy, ni hao.
Why doesn't Wenhao go with them?
Shit. What?
Molly's got these homestays staying with her. They're all Chinese.
They're
And
my
they're
boys.
so funny.
My
They're
boys.
teaching her Chinese. So Molly, what have you learned so far?
Ni hao. Sure, Molly. And shit. Kuwanga. I don't know what that is actually.
Yeah, there's a lot of room for improvement, Emily. But
Oh, so let's see you try then. You don't know. So you try then.
no,
Exactly.
no. Molly's got like 5 kids to worry about now.
I've got 5.
Yeah, the mother can be your 5th.
My mum's 4.
Oh yeah. Oh well, I guess that's why he's going to the movies, to get his mind off it. I don't know, my face kind of looks a little bit slim, don't you think? Don't you think? Oh, maybe it's just this camera. We're using our G7X Mark II.
Mark 2.
We're using our smaller camera, and it's a 8.8 by 36.8.
I'm too tired to cook. Maybe I'll just go and get you one.
Yeah.
It's Friday night. Usually.
Siaosi's at my brother's house, still helping pack up, so you guys will see him later. I should have given him the other camera. Oh, but he doesn't really like to vlog when he's busy. Yeah, you guys will see him later.
You better get that on vlog.
No. Guys, can you peep what Molly has been doing?
Hurry up with you.
We already took that better part out there. Oh, come, I'm just gonna go pick up Allen keys and I'll be back.
Well, you're not gonna be back if you don't move. Come on, hurry up. Get on it, girl. Get on it, girl. Yeah, boy. Yeah, let's see if you can do it. You can't do it. Gosh, why these people don't give us the things that we need? I don't know. I don't know why they don't. They never evolve.
Finally, after helping Molly do all her bed stuff.
Yeah, well, I don't have the screws though, or the Allen keys.
We are here at my brother's new house.
The bolts.
Where is it?
I don't know, I didn't take apart the bed.
Yeah, it's on the single mattress. It's tapped on top of the single mattress.
The one that you guys picked up?
Yeah.
So I just need the screwdriver then, or something.
Oh, the drill?
Or the drill or something.
Drill's in here. Where else is it? Hey, you got lights up here, man? There's no light.
Do any of these doors lead to upstairs?
You gotta come through the front or through that back one.
Hey, mình đeo phao bữa ngã tàn nhau.
You need an escalator.
The drill house?
Y'all need to invest in an escalator. I'm not allowing anything.
No, I mean,
Have you been here?
so
No.
that's for...
Cool. Where?
We got these there.
They got a pool. How exciting! I love new houses. Mind my breathing, guys. That was some steep ass stairs. Wow! The master bedroom is amazing. That is awesome. Hello, So-So. Hi, Mona. Hi, Mona. Hi, Mon Mon. Hi, Mon Mon Wong Wong. Hi, Tong Tong. Wow. This is so beautiful. How many bedrooms?
Just a bit narrow, that's why, that way, that's all.
How many bedrooms?
Oh, wow.
4.
Oh, I like this wallpaper. What the heck? Oh my gosh, this bedroom is massive. I love it. I love the smell of fresh paint. Molly, that bedroom's massive. That one.
Wait,
Oh, this light doesn't work.
the one that, this is the,
Oh, it's very
this is
faint.
the, for the couple.
This one?
Yeah.
It's huge.
Oh, well, at least their cupboards are clean.
Yeah.
Our bed.
That's a bathroom.
Baby.
That's their kitchen.
I'm gonna go look at the shop.
Oh, they've got two things. Oh, that's their washing machine place. Oh, that's the door. Coolie. Wow, this is amazing. What the heck? This is the bedroom, and then what's that? Oh, that's the room we saw. It's another room. I don't get it. That's Amaziah's bed. I guess the other bed's Darnell's. Wow, this bathroom is nice.
Mày lâu comment miếng lên.
What do you say?
I want the funny.
This is my dinosaur. I'm gonna kill your dinosaur. Cool, look at that TV. It actually looks bigger in person. There you have it, guys. You got the tour. Say hello, baby.
Hello.
Oh, it's better this way.
Good.
What are you doing there, Aussie? You're gonna break it.
Mommy, it's inside it.
So sauce.
Get here. Get here.
It's just you and I, Mon Mon. Do you love me? Do you love Auntie? Are you?
One now. One.
Do you love Auntie? No. I'm not looking at you. I won't look at you. I won't look at you. Don't look at me. Don't look at me. I'm not looking at you. Oh, Papa, it's okay. It's okay. What did you say?
Okay, we need help with getting some dinner. Can you help with getting some dinner for us?
Can you go fix the toilet? Go fix the toilet. It's broken.
Is the toilet broken?
Go fix the toilet. It's broken. Go fix the toilet. It's broken.
Mommy,
What is that? Yeah,
Mummy, where's the toilet?
Yeah, Mummy said.
the toilet that you need to go food. Go fix them and go and forward it.
The toilet you don't even know how to go. Get away.
There's my hard-working hubby. Ew, I hate that word.
Yeah? Mở. Ủa, một cặp pin bông. À.
Dạ.
Bây giờ con ngắp coi cả đi.
Nói với nó nghe không? Ông ơi, ông nghe không?
Good morning, guys. It is Saturday morning and we are on our way again to my brother's house.
Thì lý do cái chiều nó đã lên ốc cơ.
Yeah. Oh. Oh, I put out like here,
Fence the pool, shut the gate. Learn how to resuscitate. I'm gonna jump in the pool! Do you want me to jump in?
Yeah.
No, what if I die? Do you want me to die?
Yes.
Excuse me, Amaziah. What if I want your mum to die?
No.
Well, don't say you want me to die.
Yeah, but it's a movie. Yeah, so one guy, you can't. Mày ăn lên sao lên mấy cái pin mà sao đuổi cái quần này. Ăn lên mấy sao pin mà mày lên.
Ooh, bye.
I'm so sorry, guys, because I'm busy, man. I'm not on it, but hope we get back soon.
We are on a hunt. Bunnings is life to
Yeah.
get this what is this called? A screw? It's an Allen keyhole screw. We have to get this exact one, and we're gonna get it full. Yeah.
I'll show you. I'll show you really fast.
Just ask someone quickly. Hey, do you know where we can get these? Yeah. About to call it a night. Hey, Osi. And I'm having a little bit of a. I'm having a little bit of some snack. Nice, juicy. This?
No, this one.
Well, these are mine. This one.
Chop it
No,
up.
mine are sweeter.
You keep the sweet ones for yourself and give the old ones to your parents.
No, they got some sweet ones too. Oh, you better not be coming back for more, bro. Better not be coming back for more, bro. Bro. Bro.